welcome back to my channel Princess Mock. Today I'd like to share with you some fashion tips how to dress for a day of shopping. What should you wear? Obviously you should wear, kind of casual clothes because they're comfortable and easy to wear. So I'm gonna share with you different outfits. Ladies, let's begin with this outfit, which is a shirt and denim. So that's very easy to style. All you need is a shirt, a casual shirt like this one, and jeans. So I pair a patterned shirt with dark blue jeans, and I can complement this outfit with a nude bag. I really love this outfit. It's casual and easy to style. Speaking about shirts and denim, here I have another choice, which is a white shirt. And I think that every woman should have a white shirt because this is a basic piece and you should have it in your closet, right? So here I have a white shirt which has some really cute blue stars. I pair it with jeans and I complement this outfit with a red bag and white sneakers. In addition, I advise you guys to wear sneakers while shopping, but not heels. Obviously because sneakers are comfortable and easy, to wear. You're walking a lot, you're going here and there. So sneakers are a good option while shopping. Another choice is a denim shirt. If you're a fan of denim shirts, this outfit is for you. That's very easy to style. All you need is a denim shirt and white jeans and you're ready to go shopping. I really love this outfit. You can complement this outfit with a brown bag. Another outfit which you can wear while shopping is pairing a black shirt like this one with leggings. So another choice, if you don't want to wear jeans, you can wear black legging and you can complement this outfit with black sneakers and a nude bag. Ladies, if you're a fan of polo shirts, this outfit is for you. You can wear a polo shirt and pair it with jeans. That's very easy and flexible to style. So you can wear a polo shirt like this one with jeans and you can complement this outfit with a yellow bag. Really love this outfit because such an outfit wouldn't take much of your time. What can you also wear for a day of shopping? You can add a piece, to your shirt or t-shirt, like a denim vest or any vest. So here I have a white top. I pair it with a denim vest and jeans, and I can complement this outfit with a white bag and white sneakers. So sometimes, we need to add, an additional piece, an extra piece to our outfit, especially, when we feel a little bit cold, inside the shopping mall. For me, for example, I feel a little bit cold inside the shopping mall, so I need another piece. It could be a denim vest like this one or a denim jacket. So here I have a denim jacket. I pair it with a white top, navy jeans. You can complement this outfit with white sneakers. Another piece which you can add to your shirt or your top is a crepe cardigan. And that's cool. Really love this outfit. All you need is a crepe cardigan, your top and jeans, and of course, again guys, complement this outfit with sneakers because they're comfortable while shopping. Another outfit which you can wear when for a day of shopping is a jumpsuit, a casual jumpsuit like this one. I really love this outfit, really love the jumpsuit. All you need is just one piece. It's easy to style, it's flexible, and of course, wear sneakers. That's my advice for you guys because the sneakers are comfortable, I really love this jumpsuit. You can wear any jumpsuit like a denim jumpsuit. Choose the one which suits your body measurements and choose the style that you want it. Another outfit which you can wear while shopping is a nice dress like this one. Choose the one which suits your body measurements. Choose the colors which suit your skin tone, and you can add a crepe cardigan, as I have mentioned, if you feel a little bit cold like me. So you can add, a piece like a crepe cardigan, and you can complement this outfit with a white bag and white sneakers. Undoubtedly, dresses are a good option, in summer, while shopping. Last but not least, what if you don't have the time to style your hair, or you're not in the mood to style your hair, to do any hairstyle? What should you do? Well, the solution here is to wear a cap. A cap is a good option when you're not in the mood to style your hair. It's, a classic piece. Really love it. You can pair it with any outfit. You can choose, the color of your cap according to your own outfit. So I shared with you different outfits. Let me know in the comments below which outfit do you like the most. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're interested in watching more videos about beauty and fashion, don't forget to turn on the notification button and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can keep up with the latest fashion. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.